everyone, I'm going to go over how to create a traditional vision board. Please refer to this video and to the instructions included in your playbook to complete this activity. In your fun box, you will find an envelope with all of the supplies you need for this activity. We have included magazines, 2 pieces of nice paper, scratch paper, and a glue stick. It is not pictured here, but in your envelope you will also find stickers that you can use to decorate your vision board with, as well as an I am my power sticker and markers. You will be responsible for finding scissors to use, so make sure to check in with your parents if needed. Whenever I am creating a vision board, I like to use my scratch paper to write out words or goals that inspire me or that make me happy, relaxed, motivated, and so on. I do this so that I have an idea of what to look for when I start flipping through my magazines. There is no right or wrong when it comes to creating a vision board, so your goals can be as elaborate or as simple as you want them to be. The goals I created prior to beginning my vision board were go surfing, go to a Taylor Swift concert, and dance more. Once you have completed your brainstorming process, you can begin to flip through the magazines to find the words and images you want to include on your vision board. As you go through the magazines, begin to cut out anything that stands out to you, especially if it's something that aligns with the goals you have created. It can be words, pictures, phrases, even someone that you admire or look up to. You can truly include anything that catches your attention. After going through all of your magazines and cutting out all of your materials, begin to arrange them in a way that looks pleasing to you. You have the freedom to get as creative as you want with this process, so rearrange your words and images and anything you've cut out as much as you like. Once you have arranged all of your content in a way that is pleasing to you, use your glue stick from the envelope in the fun box to glue everything down on the piece of paper you've chosen to use. Now is also your chance to use the stickers, the I am my power sticker, and the markers we provided to add your own personal touch to your vision board. Once everything has dried, go ahead and place your vision board in a place that you see often, whether it be on your wall in your room, on your bathroom mirror, or on the fridge in your kitchen. Put it somewhere accessible so that you can always be reminded of your goals and the things that make you happy. Hi everyone, I'm going to go over how to create a virtual vision board, and I'm going to be referencing the instructions included in your playbook. So make sure you review those first before, and then reference this video for the rest of the activity. So after reviewing the first initial steps, making sure you have all these supplies, and going through your brainstorming process, you're going to come to your computer and you're going to access the program you're most comfortable using. I'm most comfortable using Microsoft Word, but you could use Google Docs or anything else you're comfortable with. As you'll see in the first few steps of the instructions, we have included an I am my power sticker in your envelope. That is something you can use after you print out your vision board, or you can go ahead and type it onto your document, and that's what I'm going to do now. Actually, I'm going to capitalize all of it. And so the great thing about vision boards is there's no right or wrong. You can highlight everything here, you can come up here, you can change the font, you can change the size, and you can change the location of the phrase as well. It's completely up to you. Once you've decided whether or not you want to type out I am my power, we're going to begin to look for your images. And these images can be the exact words you brainstormed, or they can be words related to the goals you created. So I'm going to go ahead and access Google Chrome. I have it open over here, so I'm just going to open that. And then the first goal I created was that I want to go surfing. So I'm going to type in surfing. It's going to bring up all this information, but I'm going to click on the images button right here, just so that it takes me to what I want right away. And so you can scroll through all of the images and kind of see what sticks out to you, what you like most. I personally like this one, so I'm going to click on it. If you click on it, you'll get better quality for your image. And then I'm just going to drag it to my desktop here. I'm going to minimize Google. And then I'm going to click on that image again, and I'm going to drag it to my Word document. And as you can see, it's not placed in a way that I personally like. So I'm going to double click on this image, and it's going to change my toolbar up top. I'm going to go to the Arrange button. I'm going to click it, and it's going to bring down these options. I'm going to click on the option that says Wrap Text, and I'm going to change it to Tight. Once I do that, you'll see that it's easier for me to adjust my image on the page. And anytime you click on the image as well, you can come to the corners and you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. It's completely up to you. So I like the size of this. Perfect. I've got one image down. You're going to repeat this for as many images as you'd like, depending on how many words you wrote down, depending on how many goals you made. That's how many images you're going to find, drag to your desktop, and then bring on over to your document. So my other two goals were going to a Taylor Swift concert. So I looked up something related to Taylor Swift. And then I wanted to dance more. So I looked up the word dancing and kind of went through the images here. I've already dragged them to my desktop. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag them to my document. I'm going to double click, arrange, wrap text, and change to tight. Now I can move it wherever I want and adjust the size. I'm going to do that with my last photo. Double click, arrange, wrap text, tight, and then move it to the spot you like. So that's just an example of how to get your images where you want. Again, move them around to wherever you see fit. Arranging them with that tight feature allows you to overlap and put them where you want. You can also type out the words if you wanted to. And you can put them wherever you want on the document along with your pictures. Once you've gotten everything that you want onto this document, just go ahead and make sure you come up to the File option here. And you scroll down and you save it. After you save it, you'll come to the File button again, and you'll come down and you'll select Print. Go ahead and print your vision board. And then from there, you can go back to your envelope of supplies that we provided. We've added stickers and some other extra decorations, some markers that you can use to add your own personal touch. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and put your vision board in a place that you can see often so that you can always be reminded of your goals and the things that make you happy. Enjoy!